Hey everyone, I wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to make a Dice Guardian. Um, so first you'll need some kind of little buddy here. In this case I grabbed just a simple octopus, and you'll also need an STL of your dice without any numbers in it, or else it'll kind of carve your numbers into your buddy, which is not what you want. In case you don't already have this, you can either use a dice generator with the size of your dice, or alternatively, if you have the math objects plugin, um, you can add a regular solid, choose a dodecahedron, or excuse me, like an icosahedron, and figure it out yourself with sizing and everything. But anywho, moving on from there. Once you have these things, all you need to do is first move him over. So we will move him over. I'm hitting G to grab. I'm hitting X to constrain it to the X axis. And put him roughly here in the center. Alternatively, I can just go over here and hit 0 since both these things are centered. I'm going to go over here, change, grab in the Z direction, move him wherever looks fun. We'll say somewhere on there. And then, does he look okay in the center? He does, so I like him where he's at. I don't need to change him in the Y direction. So now that I got him roughly where I want him, I'm going to do two things real fast. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to make this little buddy look smooth so it's easier to see later. Cool. All right. So now all you have to do, go over here, make sure your octopus is selected, or your buddy in your case. We want difference, and oh, excuse me, I don't know why it automatically pulled up here, but you want to go to auto modifier or add modifier. You want a boolean, and to get to the here, all you have to do is click this wrench icon. We're gonna select this eyedropper, or you can manually type stuff in. I want to grab this dropper, choose my D20, and now what it's doing is carving out anywhere where these two meet. And if it gives you issues, you can choose between exact or fast solvers. It's a math function of how specific or like how exact it wants to be with how it's carving this out. So once you've done that, you can either hit apply all or hover over it and hit Control A. And now they will, if everything's gone to order, we can just hide or delete our object, and it should be carved in there perfectly for us. Just to make this guy look like he did before, he looks like this now, and so everything should be good to go. Once you're happy with your guy, you can hit File, Export, STL, and then you'll want to choose Selection Only, so that it's not also exporting any dice or hidden objects you have in your file. But once you've done that, you can just choose a name for them, choose where you want to send them, and you're all done. Hope that helped.